Control your emotions and never beg for attention, love, or care. If someone does not want to talk to you, don't force them because forced relationships do not last much longer. So why shatter your soul for temporary gain? Hold yourself together and distance yourself for the sake of your mental and emotional well-being. You are a good person. You are just trying to prove it to the wrong one. The right one will never let you beg for anything. People don't neglect those they love. They neglect either because you are no longer useful to them or they don't want you to be the part of their life.